so it's running now. So
awesome. Just say whatever.
yeah. So this is Sophia.
Hi, everybody.
So let me see, what was, oh, that day that you saw me down at Switchback 3, that was the 13th.
Yeah, it was Saturday.
Yeah.
Whatever day the Saturday
The 13th,
was. Yes.
yeah.
Yep.
And I found it after I lost it on the 15th.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's lucky. Yeah.
Big time, huh?
Yes. I don't know if I would have ever found my drone if I would have lost it up here.
Yeah. Me, I you know what? I fell down when I went back there.
Really?
5 times. Any one of those times I could have died.
Yeah.
You know, but you know, that's me.
Yeah.
I just love the challenges.
Yeah.
And whether it's, you know, face to face with death, oh, come on, bring it on, man.
Yes. Yeah. Well, it's a good thing you're hiking more now. You're more prepared, more steady.
Yeah.
You got your hiking stick, so
Yeah.
you're ready to go.
Well, I had it up with me when I went, but I wasn't fit.
Okay.
You
Now
know.
you're fit.
Well, not yet, but
But you're getting there.
yeah, big
Yes.
time. Amen to that.
Yes.
So by next year, I should be, you know, ribbon to go then.
Yes, that's awesome. That is a great goal, Wayne.
All right.
You are a great inspiration to me. If you can do this hike every day, I can do this hike every day.
Ah, blessings to you. Blessings to you. So, okay. How beautiful. And we took advantage of the best day.
I know.
Eh,
Not too hot.
yeah,
People.
it's perfect.
Yeah.
Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, it's
Just perfect.
awesome. The
But-
perfect day to hike the Y.
Yeah, amen to that. Okay, Sophia.
Okay, nice to meet you, Wayne.
Yeah, you too. Okay, so I'm getting ready to launch the drone from up here in the Y, and so I'm getting everything ready here. Just charged everything last night. So I just want to do this quickly because it's getting cold, man, real bad. Okay. And I want to be down, hiking down while the sun is still up. So it's cold, boy. Okay, so okay. All right, ready. Okay. Okay. So, okay, let's do this. Okay. Now. Okay. 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 Ready to go. Take action.
The
Okay.
home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so all right.
Please check it on the map. Take off.
Oh, I gotta bring it down. I forgot the joystick. Okay, so. Okay. I gotta put the joysticks in. How do you like that? Okay. 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 I'm gonna. The older you get, I guess, the more shaky you get. I don't know. But, okay, let's do this again. Okay.
Take off. The coordinate has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay.